Want to upgrade your outdoor setup without wasting money? These aren't nice to haves, they gear your reach for every trip. Thoughtful, portable, and built to last. Here are 25 items that actually work. What if your camping chair could actually rock? This foldable rocker brings the gentle motion of a porch chair to the trail, the park, or your backyard. The frame folds flat in seconds, but once opened, it offers surprising stability and a smooth, natural feel with every sway. Built for comfort, it includes a supportive seat, solid backrest, and a wide base that holds steady even on uneven ground. Take a seat, lean back, and let the rhythm do the rest. Need a seat that adapts to your needs? This lightweight, portable chair offers a sturdy construction with a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or just need extra seating at home, this chair provides comfort and convenience. Its thoughtful engineering ensures stability, while the flip seat design adds versatility to your seating options. The compact form factor allows it to fit in tight spaces, and the durable materials ensure it withstands regular use. Ideal for various settings, from outdoor gatherings to indoor events, this chair is a practical addition to your furniture collection. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flexibility this chair brings to your seating arrangements. Camping shouldn't cost you a good night's sleep. This foldable mattress cushions your body with soft yet supportive foam, giving you home-level rest under the stars. It rolls out in seconds, stays flat, and fits neatly into tents, vans, or guest spaces. The removable cover wipes clean after dusty hikes or rainy nights, and the built-in straps make carrying a breeze. Perfect for campers, vanliffers, or surprise guests, it transforms any space into a restful retreat. More comfort, less bulk, sleep well anywhere. Need a reliable stove for both camping and emergencies? This compact stove operates on both butane and propane, offering flexibility wherever you are. Its dual fuel capability ensures you're never without a cooking option. Whether you're in the wilderness or facing a power outage at home, designed for portability, it comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport. The adjustable heat dial and automatic piezoelectric ignition provide precise control and quick starts without matches. Its sturdy construction supports various cookware sizes, and the built-in safety features offer peace of mind during use. Whether you're boiling water, cooking meals, or preparing for emergencies, the stove delivers consistent performance. Its versatility and reliability make it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and preparedness kits alike. Cook confidently wherever you are. Need a reliable companion for your outdoor adventures? This versatile device combines a powerful fan, bright LED lantern, and USB power bank in one compact unit. Designed for campers and travelers, it ensures comfort and convenience wherever you go. The fan offers adjustable speeds to keep you cool during warm nights, while the LED lantern provides ample illumination for your campsite or tent. With its built-in rechargeable battery, you can also charge your devices on the go, ensuring you stay connected. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to pack and carry, and the durable construction withstands the rigors of outdoor use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a power outage, this 3-in-1 device is a must-have for any situation. Stay cool, illuminated, and powered up wherever you are. Worried about your baby's safety under the sun? This compact pop-up tent shields your little one with UPF 50+ protection while offering a built-in mini pool for splash time. It sits up in seconds, weighs next to nothing, and gives babies a shaded space to cool off at the beach. With breathable mesh panels for airflow and secure ground stakes, it stays in place even on breezy days. Parents love how it packs down into a small carry bag, making it easy to bring along on every trip. Smart shade, safe play, happy baby. Tired of soggy coolers and melted ice? These reusable ice packs offer a mess-free solution to keep your food and drinks cold for extended periods. Designed to freeze at a lower temperature than water, they provide consistent cooling without the hassle of melting ice. Ideal for camping trips, picnics, or daily lunchboxes. These packs are easy to use and can be recharged in your home freezer. Their durable construction ensures they withstand repeated use, making them a reliable companion for all your cooling needs. Keep it cool without the melt. Need a compact flashlight that doesn't compromise on power? This premium edition AD-safe flashlight delivers up to 1,300 lumens, illuminating up to 170 meters ahead. Its sleek design fits comfortably in your pocket, making it an ideal companion for night walks, camping trips, or emergency situations, equipped with a magnetic tail cap. It allows for hands-free operation by attaching to metal surfaces. The flashlight features a convenient side switch for easy mode selection, and its durable aluminum body ensures it withstands daily wear and tear. The included charging case not only protects the flashlight, but also provides additional power, ensuring it's ready whenever you need it. With multiple brightness levels and a strobe mode, it adapts to various lighting needs. Whether you're navigating a dark trail or handling a power outage, this flashlight offers reliable performance in a compact package, illuminates your path with confidence. A regular lantern lights the ground. This one lights everything. With a body that extends upward and panels that rotate outward, this lantern transforms from a compact light source to a full-on illumination tower in seconds. Perfect for group campsites, backyard setups, or emergency home lighting. It runs on a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts for hours, and you can adjust the light's tone from cool white for visibility to warm glow for cozy evenings. It even doubles as a power bank to charge your phone off-grid. Need hands-free light. The magnetic base snaps onto metal surfaces. Rain? No problem. The weather-resistant build is made for real conditions. One light, multiple ways to shine. One tool, endless possibilities, designed for explorers, hikers, and anyone who loves being off the grid. This multi-tool puts 19 functions in the palm of your hand. From cutting rope to tightening gear or even sparking a fire, it's built for the real world, not just the toolbox. It features a sturdy blade, pliers, saw, and hammer, plus smart additions like a ferro rod for fire starting and a safety whistle for emergencies. Whether you're repairing a tent pole or preparing dinner at a campsite, it's always ready. Built with stainless steel and made to last, it folds down compactly and comes with a belt sheath for quick access. You can even open it with one hand, perfect when time or conditions don't allow for fumbling. Comfortable to grip, tough under pressure, and packed with practical details, this multi-tool doesn't just help, it empowers. Out there, it's not a gadget, it's your backup plan. Need one backpack for everything? This 40 liters travel bag fits under airplane seats yet holds clothes, tech, and essentials for short trips. With smart compartments and included packing cubes, staying organized on the go has never been easier. Lightweight, stylish, and made for real travel days. Camping shouldn't mean waking up sore. This portable cot gives you a raised, padded surface to sleep on. No inflatable mattress or extra gear needed. The soft cushion and headrest offer support for your back and neck, whether you're outdoors or hosting guests at home. Its foldable frame opens quickly and packs down just as fast, making it perfect for last-minute trips. With built-in storage space for your essentials, it's more than just a place to sleep, it's comfort you can carry, unfold, relax, and rest like you're home. Need reliable light in your pocket, not just your glove box? The Woburn G5 delivers focused brightness in a rugged, travel-sized body. Whether you're checking gear after sunset or digging through your backpack at night, it gives you clear visibility without bulk. The slim, metal design clips easily onto belts or bags, and the single-button control lets you cycle through brightness levels in seconds. It charges via USB, so you're never stuck hunting for batteries before a trip. Tough enough for hikes, sleek enough for everyday carry, and powerful enough to guide you through any late-night task. With multiple brightness modes and a strobe option, it's built to adapt whether you're on the trail or at home during a power cut. Simple, strong, and always ready to shine. Need extra space and real support when you sleep outdoors? This oversized cot gives you room to stretch out and rest like you're in your own bed. No cramped positions or thin pads. It comes with a thick built-in layer of cushioning, so there's no need to bring a mattress or inflatable base. The elevated frame lifts you off uneven ground, keeping you warm and dry, while the wide design allows freedom to move in your sleep. It opens in seconds and folds down just as quickly into a compact carry shape, ready for your next adventure. With reinforced legs and a cross-support structure, it stays firm even on rugged terrain. Great for camping, hosting guests, or setting up a quick rest station in the backyard. A side organizer panel lets you store your phone, flashlight, or water bottle close at hand for nighttime convenience. More comfort, more space, less hassle. Looking for a reliable sleeping bag for your outdoor adventures? This lightweight and waterproof sleeping bag is designed to keep you warm and comfortable during camping, hiking, or traveling. Its durable materials ensure longevity, while the compact design makes it easy to carry and store. The sleeping bag features a cozy interior lining and a weather-resistant exterior, providing protection against the elements, whether you're in the mountains or at a campsite. It offers the comfort you need for a good night's sleep. Stay warm and rest easy wherever your journey takes you. Need a table that does more than just stand there? This 2-in-1 folding table offers a sturdy surface for meals, games, or work, and includes a built-in storage compartment beneath. The collapsible design makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for camping trips, picnics, or small living spaces. Constructed from durable materials, it withstands outdoor elements while providing a reliable surface. The integrated storage is ideal for keeping essentials like utensils, snacks, or tools within reach yet out of sight. Its lightweight frame and carry handle ensure portability without sacrificing stability. Whether you're setting up a campsite kitchen, a backyard gathering, or a temporary workspace, this multifunctional table adapts to your needs. Enjoy the convenience of having both a table and storage solution in one compact unit. Simplify your outdoor adventures with smart design. Ever been left in the dark during a power outage or camping trip? This collapsible LED lantern offers a reliable light source when you need it most. With its 6+1 high-intensity LED chips, it provides 360 illumination, brightening up your surroundings efficiently. Whether you're navigating a campsite or dealing with a blackout at home, this lantern ensures you're never without light. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, fitting snugly into your backpack or emergency kit. The lantern is both USB and solar rechargeable, offering flexibility in charging options. A built-in USB port allows it to double as a power bank, ensuring your devices stay charged during emergencies. Constructed from durable ABS material, it's designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With up to 25 hours of continuous lighting on a full charge, it's a dependable companion for any situation. Stay prepared and illuminated wherever you are. Love the outdoors but hate the bugs? This pop-up screenhouse gives you a spacious, breathable zone for relaxing outside without worrying about mosquitoes or FLIs. Its mesh panels keep the air flowing while blocking out unwanted guests. Perfect for backyard dinners, garden parties, or camping trips. No tools needed. The instant setup lets you pop it open and enjoy shade in minutes. The tall interior offers plenty of headroom, and there's space for a full table and chairs. Zippered doors let you move in and out easily, and the entire unit folds down into a portable carry bag. Built from lightweight materials with weather-resistant fabric, it's great for sunny days but easy to pack away if the weather turns. Whether you're hosting friends or reading solo, this gazebo lets you enjoy fresh air with fewer interruptions. Set it up, zip it closed, and relax in peace. Planning a long weekend off the grid, this heavy-duty cooler keeps food and drinks cold for extended trips. With generous space for big groups and sturdy handles for transport, it's built for serious outdoor adventures. Its rugged design stands up to rough terrain, so you can bring it anywhere without worry. Great for camping, tailgating, or extended road trips. Tired of bulky towels taking up space? This compact microfiber towel is ultra lightweight and folds down to a fraction of the size of traditional towels, making it perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Despite its small size, it offers exceptional absorbency, drying you off quickly after a swim or shower. Designed for versatility, it's ideal for camping, hiking, beach trips, or gym sessions. The quick-drying material ensures it's ready to pack away shortly after use, preventing dampness in your bag. Its soft texture feels gentle against the skin, providing comfort along with functionality. The included carry pouch makes transportation effortless, and the durable fabric withstands repeated use and washing. Whether you're backpacking through the mountains or heading to a yoga class, this towel is a reliable companion. Experience convenience without compromising on performance. What if your campsite had power on demand and no noise? This 100W solar panel lets you stay charged and connected without relying on generators or outlets. Its foldable design unfolds in seconds, creating a compact power station that fits easily in your trunk or gear pile. Built with high-efficiency solar cells, it converts sunlight into usable energy fast even in partly cloudy conditions. Whether you're powering a portable fridge, topping off your power station, or keeping small devices alive, it adapts with multiple output ports. Durable and weather-ready, the panel is reinforced for real outdoor use. Rubber feet keep it stable, and the carry handle makes transport easy. Clean energy. anywhere, anytime. Looking for a portable relaxation solution? This inflatable lounger offers a comfortable spot to unwind, whether you're at the beach, camping, or in your backyard. Its unique design allows for quick inflation without the need for a pump. Just whisk it through the air and seal. Crafted from durable, water-resistant material, it supports up to 650 pounds and stays inflated for hours. The built-in headrest provides added comfort, and side pockets keep essentials within reach. Lightweight and compact, it packs into a small carry bag for easy transport. Whether you're lounging under the sun or stargazing at night, this air sofa is your go-to for comfort on the go. Relaxation has never been this effortless. Need hands-free lighting that adapts to your every move? This headlamp delivers up to 1200 lumens of brightness, ensuring clear visibility during nighttime activities. Its motion sensor feature allows you to turn the light on or off with a simple wave, keeping your hands free for tasks. With 8 lighting modes, including white and red lights, you can adjust the brightness and color to suit various situations. The rechargeable battery provides extended use, and the comfortable, adjustable headband ensures a secure fit for all head sizes. Designed for durability, this headlamp is water-resistant, making it suitable for outdoor adventures in various weather conditions. Whether you're camping, hiking, or working in low-light environments, this headlamp offers reliable illumination. And since the pack includes 2 headlamps, you'll always have a backup or one to share. Illuminate your path with convenience and confidence. Tired of complicated tent setups and flimsy poles? This inflatable camping tent offers a hassle-free solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed to accommodate 4 to 6 people, it provides ample space for family or group camping trips. The tent inflates quickly using the included hand pump, eliminating the need for traditional poles. Constructed from durable, waterproof materials, it ensures protection against the elements, keeping you dry and comfortable. The tent features multiple ventilation windows and doors, promoting airflow and reducing condensation. Its sturdy structure withstands various weather conditions, making it suitable for different terrains. Lightweight and portable, the tent packs down easily into the provided carry bag, making transportation and storage convenient. Whether you're heading to the mountains, beach, or forest, this inflatable tent simplifies your camping experience. Enjoy more time exploring and less time setting up. Tired of choosing between fresh air and bug-free space? This pop-up screen tent gives you both. With wide mesh walls on all sides, it keeps insects out while letting the breeze through, perfect for outdoor dinners, family game nights, or quiet afternoons with a book. Audio unfolds in seconds and holds its shape without complicated poles or straps. The sturdy base stands firm on patios, grass, or sand, and the spacious interior fits a table and several chairs comfortably. The roof fabric helps block harsh sunlight, giving you a cool and shaded area even on bright days. Whether you're heading to the park, setting up in the backyard, or planning a beach day, this screen house creates a peaceful space wherever you need it. A hanging loop inside lets you add a lantern or fan, making it just as cozy at night as during the day. No bugs, no stress, just breathable comfort outdoors.